Welcome to the Planet Microcap Podcast, the #1 destination for everything microcap investing. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and each week I sit down with elite investors, CEOs, and market experts to uncover actionable insights and real-world lessons you can apply immediately. Are you a new or experienced microcap investor? Do you want to meet microcap management teams as well as other microcap investors from around the world? Planet Microcap hosts the highest quality in-person microcap events in North America. The mission is to bring the best microcap investors, companies, and allocators together to gather, connect, and grow. Visit planetmicrocap.com to learn more about our Las Vegas and Toronto events. Now, a quick disclaimer. This presentation is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as a recommendation to purchase or sell any security referenced herein. Planet Microcap Holdings, LLC and Microcap Club, LLC are not licensed brokers nor registered investment advisors. We, our partners, contractors, members, subscribers, guests, or affiliates may or may not hold positions in one or more of the securities mentioned in this presentation and may trade in such securities at any time. We may have received cash compensation from one or more participants for presenting at past, present, or future events. We recommend you consult a licensed investment advisor, broker, or legal counsel before purchasing or selling any securities referenced in this presentation. Welcome to Planet Microcap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and joining me right now is Neal Lux. He's the president and CEO of Forum Energy Technologies. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is FET on the NYSE. And Forum Energy Technologies will be presenting at our upcoming investor conference, Planet Microcap Las Vegas, powered by Microcap Club, taking place June 16 through 18, 2026 at the Bellagio. For more information to register to meet with Neal and his team at the event, please register to attend at planetmicrocap.com. And with that, Neal, thank you for joining me today. How are you doing?
Great to be here, Robert. Looking forward to Vegas here in a few weeks.
Absolutely. It's great to have you. And yes, we're excited to have you there. And first time presenter, first time us doing an interview here as well. So, for the folks that haven't heard the Forum Energy Technology story, can you start us off with a quick overview and history of the company?
Yeah, we're a manufacturer with a global reach. We generally ship to the energy industry, so we make products that help our customers produce more energy safely, more efficiently. We ship about half of our products outside the U.S. Our revenue is 50% U.S., 50% outside of North America, outside the United States. We've grown quite a bit here over the last 4 or 5 years. We've increased our revenue significantly from 2021, and from then as well, our EBITDA has grown about 5 times. So I think we have a really good growth story. And as we think about why FET, why are we a great company, but really more why are we a better investment? We have a track record of outperformance. We think we're an incredible value. We've had significant capital returns, but really what's exciting to me and what gets our team up every morning and going after it is we think we're poised for growth here in this cycle.
Very good. All right. Well, thank you for that overview, Neal. So what would you say makes Forum Energy Technologies unique and different compared to your peers?
Yeah, so I think the first one is we are a manufacturer. So we're not we get lumped into the oil field service, as a peer, but we manufacture our product. And by being a manufacturer, we're able to ship our product around the world wherever energy is produced and our customers need it. So about half of our sales, they said, are in the U.S., but also a good portion of our sales, it's called 40, go directly to the operator. So this is, ExxonMobil, Saudi Aramco, BP, customers like that. And the other part of our revenue is sold directly to service companies. So Schlumberger, Halliburton, big service companies that work around the world. So, we like to target innovation. We like to target differentiated markets where we only have a few competitors. And we've been really successful at it. Over the last 5 years, we've increased our market share by over 20% as measured by our revenue per global rig count.
Very good. A quick follow-up to that. I mean, who's your target customer that you're looking to work with, or who are the ones that are engaging with you that want to? I'll let you answer that.
Yeah, no, we have a broad array of targeted customers. So, maybe going back, we address the market with 2 primary segments. We have our drilling and completion segment and artificial lift and downhole segment. Below the segments, we have 7 product lines. And if you even go a section deeper, which we don't go public with, but we have our product families. Within those product families, each one of them have their own sets of competitors and their own sets of customer targets. So we have a really wide range of targets. So when we talk about operators or service companies, that's our way of kind of aggregating it up and just making it a little bit easier to understand. But Overall, we have over 4,500 customers, and no one customer is more than 5% of our revenue. So very broad, and we're just looking to grow and to grow our shares with each of them.
Very good. All right. And what was your background prior to becoming CEO of Forum?
Yeah, great question. I got involved with Forum. I joined the company in 2017 when they bought out the company I helped found called Global Tubing. So Global Tubing is a manufacturer of coil tubing. I was one of the original founders, and in 2013, FET bought half, and I ran the joint venture as president of that company. And when they bought the remainder in 2017, I became a full-time employee. I managed our completions business, then became COO right around 2021, early or late 2021, and then became CEO in February of 2022.
Very good. All right. Well, Neal, to close us out here today, from what you can tell us, what would you then say are some of the company's value catalysts that folks should be paying attention to for the duration of 26?
Yeah, so we have a great market that we address. Again, I think energy is key to economic growth. I think with the geopolitical uncertainty that we have, having that security around energy is more important. So our view is that there needs to be significant investment in energy over the next 3 to 5 years. We are directly going to be a direct beneficiary of that, and with our growth plan of attacking the U.S., gaining share there, but also taking the products and solutions that are successful in our home markets and exporting them around the world. We are well positioned for growth, and that is what's exciting for me and exciting for our company, and I'm sure will be exciting for your investors.
Well, Neal, with that, where can our audience go and find more information about the company?
Yeah, our website is f-e-t.com, and we have an investor section. You can learn more about our products. Also, we put in our investor presentation. We lay out, where we think we can be in the next 5 years, and we put a lot of detail to it, and it's something that we're managing to. So, I think there's a lot of value to our website, and I hope you learn more. And I can't wait to meet some of you all in person too.
Very cool. Neal, thank you so much for joining me today. Really do appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe. And I'll see you in Vegas.
All right, thanks, Robert.
Thank you.